What's good, y'all? I ain't gonna lie. Work been whooping my ass. I've been trading, but not like how I was. I'm not trading a whole lot at the moment. I did trade GJ like 2 days ago. We're gonna talk about that. It wasn't nothing crazy. It was just a quick short sale. Some overnight shit. 200%, a little over 200%. Nothing too crazy. I'm gonna go over the charts. Today one of my off days, so I gotta clean the house up, man. But I'm about to finish cleaning, and then I'm gonna go over these charts. So I'm gonna get on my computer. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and turn that shit on. I'm gonna get on my computer, and then I'm gonna do the little breakdown, show y'all what I saw, and we just gonna go from there. And I've been having to like really sit down and think about my trading because for one, you gotta always adjust to the markets. It's never gonna always be, oh, well, this is it. You always adjusting, stuff be going on. You either gonna learn to not trade at certain times, or you're going to risk it and either win or lose. It's just a lot of different things that I've been having to like really sit down with myself with and just be like, hey, this is what you're doing, bro. You need to really pay attention to this, or you need to focus more on this. Like I really just been trying to tweak and perfect my thing when it comes to trading because I don't know, bro. It's like I'm not perfect, and I said it all the time. I'm not perfect. Nobody perfect, and it's funny because a lot of folks is being exposed for being fake. That shit will never happen with me because I never claimed to be a millionaire, billionaire, trillionaire. I already done told y'all I ain't made millions from trading yet. I'm not a millionaire yet. Y'all ain't gonna ever see my face on he faked it. I ain't shit to fake. Y'all see when I fuck up. Y'all see when I trade. Hell, I would go live and mark up my chart. So y'all see it literally live. So watch who y'all be. I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you, watch who y'all be learning from, bro. A lot of motherfuckers is being exposed for faking this and faking that. Not I, bro. Hell no. But anyway, I'm gonna finish cleaning up, and then I'm gonna hop on these charts and show y'all what I was looking at as far as GJ. Put my password in wrong. Okay, so my computer is not letting me sign in. It's saying my password is wrong. How the hell is my password wrong? It's been the same password forever. We gonna figure this shit out. Anyway, I'm finna finish cleaning, and then I'm gonna come back, and then we're gonna go over this trade. I don't know why I can't sign in. This shit is being weird. But anyway, I'll see y'all in a little bit. All right, so real quick. I saw this setup right here. I'm gonna scale down. First, I saw the switch. Let me just go over this. I was scrolling through my pairs. I seen this setup right here. Like I said, it was just a short little sale. It wasn't nothing too crazy. But I marked out this wick right here. I saw price gap below it. Came back. Once I saw this, I was like, there might be a sale in between there. So this is what I was looking at before. And I was just like, I'm going to put some sale stops under here and I think under here. Because I know when price go under wicks, it's going to the next one. That's a little gem for y'all. For y'all who don't know, if you go back and back test, anytime price break a wick, look for the next wick, and that's where it's going to go before we do anything else. That's all it is to it. You're welcome. But anyway, I marked that off. As you can see, it says switch. We created this low here. Price came back, failed to create highs, dropped again. Price came back, failed. So I secured this, and I'm just waiting to see how price react again in this area. If we reject off this again, I'm going to get more sales. And I'm probably going to target this low down here, because once we break these wicks, again, it's going to go to the next one. This was the original wick. Price came down to it, came up again. And with GJ, you got to be careful. GJ like to fake out a lot. I've been watching GJ for a good little minute. If you scroll on my where I be posting, you'll see. But GJ like to fake people out. Like this right here. It dropped. People probably were like, bet. Bunch of sales, got cooked. Next week, it's probably going to drop and drop and drop. And people probably think it's finna buy it because of the way that this setup was. They probably finna buy and it might drop. I'm not saying it's going to, but it might. So that's really all I saw. I saw that breaking structure here. Price came down, failed to create new highs, failed to break these previous wicks. So as y'all can see, high, low, lower high. I was like, if this shit fail, I just don't know what the hell I'm doing. It didn't have to go all the way down here, but it definitely was gonna touch this area again, which it did. So we secured that, and like I said, now I'm just waiting on next week. So without further ado, I'm gonna swap back over to the phone, finish this all out. All right, so y'all got a little breakdown. Hopefully y'all enjoyed that. If y'all need anything, let me know. It's been a couple days, like I said, life, working out, been hitting PRs, I ain't gonna lie, I've been going crazy in the gym. I don't know if y'all pay attention to that gym page I got a gym Instagram page. If not, definitely go check that out. I've been going crazy. I can't lie. Anyway, I'm gonna catch y'all. I'm tired. Peace.